Welcome back to Darvan. In this video, I'm gonna take the sketch of a men's leather wallet that I designed and turn it into a vector, basically into a sewing pattern. As I mentioned in the previous video, A4 paper is the best size for this purpose. I've already opened up the page, so let's start. First, I'll use the rectangle tool to draw the main panel. In the Properties window, I'll adjust the width and height to the exact size I had in mind. If needed, I'll resize the sketch to match. Next, with the pen tool, I'll add a point to the center of the top line so I can pull it down, just like in the sketch. To move the point, I can use a direct selection tool, hit the shortcut A, or simply hold down Ctrl while using the pen. For rounding the corners, I'll select the points I want and drag the little circle handles until I get the curve I like. In this case, 20 points feels just right. Now, I'll copy and paste the rectangle, create another one, and place it right over the first. As I explained before, enabling Smart Grid under the View menu makes this super easy. Then, I'll drag the point we created into the right position. After that, I'll draw a circle to match the sketch, either by clicking and holding on the rectangle tool or using the shortcut L. While dragging, I'll hold Shift to keep the circle perfect. Once that's done, I'll open the Pathfinder window and use the right option to get the shape I want. I'll repeat similar steps for the other layers. Don't forget, tools like Convert in the toolbar are really useful for switching points between corner and smooth. Also, keep in mind that mirroring shapes is super simple in the Properties panel. Alright guys, our pattern is ready. For adding the stitching holes, I use 3ds Max because doing it inside Illustrator can be tricky. I've dedicated another video just to that topic, which I'll upload soon. So please subscribe to the channel and support the work. It really helps me keep making these tutorials. Thanks a lot and see you in the next video.